Hi guys! Today we are in the train. We are going to the airport and actually uh, we are going to see Formula One. Yay! So before we arrive to see the F1, which is arranged this year, we arranged in Russia in Sochi. Is the south direction from Moscow. So it takes around 2.5 hours flight from Moscow airport. And today we are going to Domodedovo airport, which is the one of the biggest airport in Moscow. So before we arrive Sochi to see Formula One, let's learn about the word about the airport. Today we're going to learn in Thai Central, but actually the word in Thai Central, ooh, another train. But actually the word in Thai Central, it's the same as Isaan. So, first word, airport. Airport. In Thai, we say สนามบิน สนามบิน Sanam Bin Airport, which Sanam means the big yard or the big field, and Bin means fly. So Sanam Bin means airport or the big yard for the flying vehicles. It's so straight. Okay, and now today we're going to Domodedovo Airport. Can you say that? It's quite tough. Okay, so the next word is air ticket. Air ticket. Air ticket in Thai we say ตั๋วเครื่องบิน 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 which ตั๋ว means ticket and เครื่องบินmeans airplane. Remember, bin is fly, so เครื่องบิน is airplane. เครื่อง which we use for like machine or something like that. So เครื่องบิน is airplane. Ooh. Airplane. Airplane in Thai we say เครื่องบิน เครื่องบิน. That's very easy, right? Okay, let's review. Airport. What is airport? Ding ding. And next, airplane. Airplane. And last one, air ticket. Air ticket. Okay, I will show you around the Domodedovo airport when we arrive. I wish you enjoy today's words, and let's practice and let's speak Thai and Isaan, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Until we see again, bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ